safe.
Please don't. Please.
What do you think you're doing?
We all need to do something.
Good morning, you're tuned to London's finest conversation. Today we're talking about a topic which is extremely hot and extremely controversial. And first up on the line to discuss this topic we have Jenny. So over to you, Jenny. Good morning.
Hi, yeah, I'm just calling in to say that I think it's the right thing to do.
I think it's time for us British people to bear arms.
She's right, you know.
To stand up and protect our country for what is right.
There's just too many people
Yeah, she's
here
right.
that do not respect our values, that are not here for the wrong reasons. They don't want to integrate. They're not British. In British, values and morals are important.
I'm fed up. It is not safe. There were too many children that put at too much risk.
I think you missed the point. I think that all of us want peace and security for our families. And that can never happen if we take action like this. Over a tiny, radical minority element in our society.
No, but the whole difference is that I'm protecting my country.
I should be allowed to defend myself, my rights, my family.
That's it, that's what I'm talking about.
This is just going to escalate into tit-for-tat violence, and it's going to do no good to, the greater good of society. We need to bring people together, not encourage people to harm each other.
I don't want my family, my future kids to grow up in a place where they can get molested and raped by bunches of strangers that don't even speak our own language. We need to start standing up for what is right.
So Jenny, you think that taking actions into
who's
your
gonna do
own
this?
hands, vigilantism,
I want to do it.
is the answer? Maiming, hurting, innocent
Rock, paper,
people?
scissors.
Is that what you're saying?
We all need to make sacrifices. You've heard of martyrs, haven't you?
1, 2.
That's not a concept they made up. Maybe some of us need to make ourselves martyrs. Give ourselves for the cause. We all need to do something.
What do you mean, do something? Doing something is doing something positive to bring people together and actually have dialogue and discussion.
This is different.
We need to fight violence with violence. Violence is the only language they understand. It is time to stand up for ourselves, individuals.
What you wearing that for?
Us. We need to stand up for ourselves, protect our families, protect our homes, our children and our future children.
It doesn't belong here.
They made our loved ones suffer.
Take it off.
They've caused us to have pain and heartache.
Jenny.
It's just not right.
I'm going to make myself a martyr. I'm going to set an example that needs to be set.
Hi, Jenny. Are you still there? Can you hear me? Seems like the call may have dropped, guys.
Well, go on then.
But
There
Jenny,
he is.
Look, if you are still listening, the question I need to put to you is...
Take it off.
We're going home now. You're tired, aren't you, honey?
I said take it off. Hey, you. What do you think you're doing?
Yes?
Come on, then.
Oh my God!